Hi everyone, we are going to present our final project. It's called OGStack. So it's about for generating open graph images, block covers, or generating icons based on content of your page. You can basically put any URL address of your page, then it generates an image. So basically there are two modes. One is a classic, which generates image based on your selected template, or the AI based, like AI uses actually AI completely generates a new image, so it's not look like a template image. So here our AI showcase like a sample AI generated images. So we have like two AI models. One is Pro, second is a standard. So we can view some image like AI generated image like here for these links. And we have three pricing tiers, like free version, it has a limited like AI generated images, and plus and pro. So let's go to the dashboard. So this is our dashboard page. So to generate a new image, we need to just go to the playground, and here we can generate an open graph image. For example, let's generate image for this link, logistics.app, and I want to generate AI image, not template. And let's try to generate. We can also put our custom prompt, but we don't need it usually because AI can inspect your page content and generate image based on your page. What's the content of page? This page content generated by AI, and we can regenerate a new image like this. So yeah, this is generated by AI, by standard model, and here are the prompt used for generating image. So yeah, this playground, and the playground look like this. Like we can generate open graph, block, or pub icons, for example. To view our generated image, we need to just go to the gallery, and we can see here the past images. Like for example, this one we just generated. It also displays the integration snippet code. Basically, we can just copy this code and put in your website page. Then whenever you share your link in your social media, it displays these images. Like for example, on Twitter, it looks like this. On Facebook, like this. LinkedIn, and so on. So yeah, we can also download image, or we can also delete and regenerate new ones. So yeah, here like we can create a new project. Each project has like a dedicated images like this. We can also generate like favicons like this, and put just this link to our website, your website, I mean. So here are our repository and Cloud Code setup. So this is a Cloud.md file, and there are like a text stack, business rules in PRD, basic pattern used in code base, like commands used in code base, and conventions. And here our .cloud.md file. So it contains the rules, skills. So an API folder, like it's actually our backend. So it has like some like conventions. And here our front-end rules. Then we have skills like adding a new model in a backend. Also, we have like a skill for adding a new page in front end, like creating commit, creating like GitHub issues or PRs. And here are our main project structure. Like API is actually our backend, docs is a separate frontend for displaying our project documentation, and the web is our main frontend, which is built on Next.js. And here also the shared package used by frontend and backend. So the single shared code base, like shared constants, functions, types, and so on. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Raja Varma Nadimpalli, and I'll be continuing the demonstration. I'll be covering the next part with templates, audit tool, and analytics for OGStack. So let's start with the templates. We have Aurora, which is a dark gradient with a glow accent for developer tools or SaaS. Editorial has a warm paper stock feel, better for blog, websites, and stuff. Billboard is a big bold type with radial glows, good for announcements. And we have 10 such templates, each built for a different use case. Each one has a preview, a name, and a slug. That slug is what you pass as a template parameter in your meta tag or API call. And that's it for templates. Let's go for the audit page. As you can see, I ran the audit for Northeastern's admission page. This is how the page looks. Pretty good page. We got a hero section, image, and all of that. And it scored a 93% in overall score. And the only place it lost points in is SEO. And it has 100% on OG, 100% on Twitter SEO. So it's only in SEO it lost points, and there's two issues that it lost points in. Let's see what the issues are. First issue is meta description. So out of 160 characters, the meta description is 405 characters. That means it gets truncated in each search result. And alt images and so on, and those are the two flags that the audit tool has found with AI recommendations on. It doesn't just flag the problem, it writes a fix too, and it showed more fixes, as in it caught even the tone that the statistic heaviness of the website is not good for prospective students and suggests adding a call to action. And you can open it in Playground. It'll be loaded in, and I made it using a project. And you can use AI and paste in the fixes here and hit generate, and it'll make one. And moving on to the last feature, it is analytics. Once you're generating in production, this is where you track everything. It has 4 metrics right now, 4 images generated on my account, average generation time, AI images and cache hits are also a metric there. Images per day shows you your usage trend over time. Template usage breaks down which template you are getting the most hits from. Panorama is our most used right now, and it ranks your top projects by volume. And there's full visibility across templates, projects, and time. So that is OGStack, 10 production-ready templates, a free audit tool with AI recommendations on any URL, and analytics to track it all. The goal was to make social previews something developers just stop thinking about. One meta tag, and you're done. Thanks.